Say the first turn on.
Oh wait, I guess I should hit the power button.
Oh, look, there it
We have
is.
an apple.
That's awesome.
Beautiful. It does feel good in the hand. That's what Steve Jobs kept
It has a
saying.
good heft.
Yeah. Oh, I guess I should plug it in.
Oh, it wants you to plug it in.
Yep. Yeah, it's almost fully charged. It's like 95% charged. Oh, you can't tell.
It won't let you do anything until you plug it in.
Yeah, gotta plug it in.
Wow, that's typical.
Oh, well, it does landscape.
That's cool.
All right, what are we gonna name it?
What do you think, Max? You don't give a crap, do you?
Download and install the latest version of iTunes on your Mac. Check. Connect it to your computer using computer USB port. Follow the on-screen instructions.